Welcome to our tutorial on how to save a Microsoft Excel workbook subsequently. If you need help saving a workbook for the first time, check out our previous video on how to save a Microsoft Excel workbook for the first time. Remember, saving your workbook frequently is crucial to prevent potential data loss. Let's dive into 3 simple methods to save your workbook. The first method is by using the File tab. Click on the File tab in the top left corner of the screen. Next, select Save from the menu. This will save any changes you've made to your workbook. The second method is even quicker. Simply click on the Save icon in the Quick Access Toolbar at the top of your screen. This instantly saves your workbook. The third method is using a keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl and S on your keyboard simultaneously. This is a fast and efficient way to save your work regularly. Frequent saving is essential to avoid losing your data due to unexpected issues like power outages or system crashes. By using any of these methods, you can ensure your progress is continually saved. To recap, you can save your Excel workbook by using the File tab, the Quick Access Toolbar, or the Ctrl+S keyboard shortcut. It's that simple. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Microsoft Excel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Excel Tutor.